Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital, beckons travelers with its alluring blend of old-world charm and modern energy. Perched on 7 hills overlooking the Tagus River, this captivating city offers a sensory feast. Explore cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings adorned with intricate tilework. Discover hidden squares buzzing with locals enjoying their daily espresso. Let the melancholic melodies of fado music, Portugal's soulful musical tradition, transport you to another time. Lisbon's rich history is palpable in its ancient ruins, grand monuments, and captivating museums. The city's strategic location on the Atlantic coast has shaped its destiny for centuries. Once a global trading hub, Lisbon boasts a fascinating past intertwined with explorers, poets, and revolutionaries. Today, this welcoming city embraces its heritage while looking to the future. Wander through Lisbon's distinct neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. From the historic Alfama district to the trendy Chiado area, there's something to captivate every visitor. Indulge in delectable Portuguese cuisine, from fresh seafood to sweet pastel de nata tarts. Experience the warmth of the Portuguese people, known for their hospitality and love of life. Lisbon invites you to create unforgettable memories in a city that effortlessly blends history, culture, and vibrant energy. Journey through time, landmarks and historical sites. Lisbon is a city that wears its history on its sleeve. Step back in time as you explore its magnificent landmarks and historical treasures. Begin your journey at the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This architectural masterpiece showcases Portugal's Manueline style, with its intricate carvings and nautical motifs. Next, ascend to the Belém Tower, another UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Portugal's Age of Discovery. This fortified tower once guarded the entrance to Lisbon's harbor, protecting the city from invaders and bidding farewell to intrepid explorers setting sail for unknown lands. For breathtaking panoramic views, visit the São Jorge Castle, perched atop the highest hill in Lisbon. This Moorish castle offers a glimpse into the city's past, with its ramparts offering stunning vistas of the cityscape and the Tagus River. Don't miss the impressive Carmo Convent, a haunting reminder of the devastating 1755 Lisbon earthquake. The roofless nave, with its Gothic arches open to the sky, serves as a poignant memorial to the city's resilience. Finding your home away from home. Accommodations for every traveler. Lisbon offers a diverse range of accommodations to suit every budget and travel style. Families will find spacious apartments and family-friendly hotels in the Baixa and Chiado districts, within walking distance of major attractions. Expect to pay between $150 to $300 per night for a comfortable family suite. Solo travelers and couples seeking a more intimate experience can opt for charming boutique hotels or guest houses in the Alfama or Bairro Alto neighborhoods. Prices for these accommodations range from $80 to $150 per night. Budget-conscious travelers can find hostels and guest houses in the city center, offering dorm beds for as low as $20 per night and private rooms starting at $50 per night. No matter your budget, you'll find Lisbon's accommodations welcoming and well-equipped, providing a comfortable base for exploring this captivating city. Beyond the beaten path must-visit destinations in Lisbon. While Lisbon's iconic landmarks are a must-see, the city's true essence lies in its hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path treasures. Take a scenic tram ride through the charming Graça neighborhood, known for its winding streets, traditional houses, and breathtaking viewpoints. Explore the LX Factory, a former industrial complex transformed into a creative hub. Discover trendy boutiques, art studios, restaurants, and bars housed in renovated factory buildings. Escape the city buzz with a visit to Sintra, a fairy tale town located just a short train ride from Lisbon. Marvel at the whimsical Pina Palace. Wander through the enchanting Quinta da Regaleira gardens. Explore the mysterious Moorish castle. For a taste of Lisbon's maritime heritage, head to Belém. Visit the Maritime Museum, showcasing Portugal's seafaring past. Explore the MAT, Museum of Art, Architecture, and Technology, a striking modern building dedicated to contemporary art and architecture. A taste of Portugal, savoring Lisbon's culinary delights. Lisbon's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional flavors and modern influences. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with fresh seafood, savory stews, and delectable pastries. No trip to Lisbon is complete without savoring the iconic pastel de nata. These creamy custard tarts dusted with cinnamon are a heavenly treat best enjoyed warm from the oven. Seafood lovers are in for a treat in Lisbon. Indulge in grilled sardines, a local delicacy, or sample fresh catches of the day at one of the many seafood restaurants lining the waterfront. For a hearty meal, try cozido à portuguesa, a traditional Portuguese stew made with various meats, vegetables, and sausages. Another must-try is bacalhau, dried and salted codfish prepared in countless ways, showcasing Portugal's culinary creativity. Reaching Lisbon, your transportation options. Lisbon is well connected to major cities worldwide, making it easily accessible for travelers. The most convenient way to reach Lisbon is by air. Lisbon Portela Airport, or LIS, is located just 7 kilometers from the city center and is served by major airlines offering direct flights from numerous international destinations. Once you arrive at the airport, you have several transportation options to reach your accommodation. The Aerobus provides a direct connection between the airport and various points in the city center. Taxis are readily available outside the arrivals terminal, and ride-hailing services like Uber and Bolt are also popular options. If you prefer to travel by train, Lisbon is connected to other major European cities via an extensive rail network. The Santa Apollonia train station is the main railway hub in Lisbon, offering connections to destinations throughout Portugal and beyond. Staying safe in Lisbon. Practical tips for a worry-free trip. Lisbon is generally a safe city for travelers, but it's always wise to take precautions to ensure a worry-free trip. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas and tourist hotspots, as petty theft can occur. Keep your valuables secure and avoid flashing large sums of cash. Use the hotel safe for your passport, extra cash, and other important documents. When using ATMs, be vigilant of your surroundings and shield your PIN when entering it. It's best to use ATMs located inside banks or well-lit areas. As in any major city, be cautious of scams. Be wary of individuals approaching you on the street offering unsolicited services or deals that seem too good to be true. By following these simple safety tips, you can relax and enjoy your time in Lisbon with peace of mind. When in Lisbon, navigating local customs and traditions. Embrace the local culture by familiarizing yourself with some Portuguese customs and etiquette. Greetings are generally formal, with a handshake or a kiss on each cheek, between women or a man and a woman who know each other, being customary. When addressing someone, use their title and last name unless invited to use their first name. Bom dia, good morning, boa tarde, good afternoon, and boa noite, good evening, are polite greetings used throughout the day. Tipping is not mandatory in Portugal, but it is customary to round up the bill at restaurants or leave a small tip, around 5 to 10%, for good service. When visiting churches or religious sites, dress respectfully, covering your shoulders and knees. During religious services, it's polite to maintain silence and avoid taking photographs. Lisbon's allure, the unique charm and potential drawbacks. Lisbon's unique charm lies in its captivating blend of history, culture, and modernity. The city seamlessly blends its rich heritage with contemporary influences, creating an atmosphere that is both nostalgic and invigorating. Lisbon's hilly terrain, while adding to its picturesque beauty, can be challenging for some visitors. Be prepared for some uphill walks and consider using public transportation or taxis to navigate the steeper slopes. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, it's always appreciated when visitors make an effort to learn a few basic Portuguese phrases. Locals will appreciate your effort to communicate in their language. Lisbon's popularity as a tourist destination means that some attractions can get crowded, especially during peak season. Consider visiting popular sites early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the crowds. Essential travel tools. Packing for a seamless Lisbon adventure. Packing for a trip to Lisbon is relatively straightforward, but a few essential items can enhance your travel experience. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll be doing a lot of exploring on foot. Pack a light jacket or sweater even during the warmer months, as evenings can get cool, especially near the river. Don't forget a hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen to protect yourself from the strong Portuguese sun. A universal adapter is essential for using your electronic devices, as Portugal uses the European 2-pin plug system. A portable charger can be a lifesaver for keeping your phone and other devices powered up while you're on the go. Finally, Don't forget to pack your sense of adventure and a willingness to embrace the vibrant culture and charm of Lisbon. With a little preparation, you're sure to have an unforgettable trip to this captivating city.